the Nordic Ware. Three-piece Baker's Delight set is a noteworthy addition to any kitchen. Crafted with precision and designed to meet the needs of bakers, this set offers exceptional quality, durability, and versatility. One of the most striking features of this product is its natural color, which adds an elegant touch to your baking endeavors. Made from high-quality aluminum, the Nordic Ware Baker's Delight set ensures even heat distribution, allowing your baked goods to cook to perfection every time. The size of the set is ideal for various baking needs. With the dimensions of 17.25 or LX 12.25 WX 0.9H, it provides ample space for creating multiple delicious treats simultaneously. Whether you're baking cookies, pastries, or casseroles, this set has you covered. As for the brand, Nordic Ware is synonymous with excellence in the culinary world. Known for their commitment to quality and innovation, Nordic Ware consistently delivers products that meet the highest standards.